Hey YouTube, I am back with another YouTube video today, and as you see by the title, you already know what I'm gonna do. So, let's get to it. Alright, so basically, I'm just gonna part my hair into 4 sections. I got this blow dryer from a promo, but they never responded back to me for actually doing the promo, so they are lost. Thank God they don't have a name on it, so no free promotion. So first off, I'm just starting by blow drying each section one by one. Before you even come with the dryer, you want to brush your hair out so it's much easier for you. You guys are probably like, oh my God, why you don't use heat protectant? Why you didn't use heat protectant? Y'all, I really don't care for heat protectant like that because it makes me feel like I'm cooking my hair, you know? Like adding product and then putting, I don't know. It may just be me. Like everything my mama says, I just go with it. And that's what she said. So I don't use heat protectant. But let's take a moment for the growth, you guys. If you guys been with me since I chopped off my hair and to now, like, do y'all see how long my hair is? Go on my Instagram at DEIIIJ, 2 eyes. I hope I said 2 eyes, and go cop my hair growth oil because I don't even have to say nothing. Like, look at this growth, y'all. And, like, I ain't even texting. It's only $15 a bottle, boo. Let me help you grow your edges out. Let me help you get rid of them bald spots, baby. You, come on now. Like, it's just a quick click away. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Back to the hairstyle. So, I'm just parting the 2 fronts of my hair. I'm going to braid these 2 parts, as you will see in the next clip. But, yeah, I'm just parting the 2 sections out. Okay, so now I'm just parting out my leave out. You want to make sure you take out the sides also, not just the top, because you can see your tracks on the side too. Like, and nobody want to see that. Y'all, look at the growth. Look at the growth. Copping oil. Y'all, this video is sponsored by Betterlength hair. Y'all, this hair is so amazing and soft. Like, I ain't even have to do too much with this hair. Like, y'all, like, I just blow dried it out, brushed it, and then bam. So, yeah, today I'm going to be using Neat Braid Conditioning Shining Gel. And then I'm going to put that on the roots of my hair just to make my braids slick or whatever. And then I'm just going to start braiding. Y'all, look, this is just only one bundle they gave me. Look how, like, voluminous this hair is, y'all. Look how, oh my God. And so now I'm just going to apply the tracks on my hair. This is pretty much self-explanatory. I did not see that braid sticking out, but I did tuck that thing in and I ain't even know. Y'all, wait till I turn my head. Wait, y'all, look how easily that hair is blended in with my hair, y'all. That's crazy. So now I'm just using my foam. Y'all, I like this foam. Like, it smells so freaking good, y'all. But yeah, I'm just using my foam and then I'm gonna braid it, braid it, and then bantu knot the ends. Now I'm just blow drying my hair. Y'all, I really was rushing. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Like, it could have came out way better, but that's all on me. I was rushing. I was tired and stuff. So, you know, stuff happens. But I'll feel like I will make another tutorial with this hair because it's just so bomb. I feel like I could use this hair every day, y'all. I love this hair so much. Either way, I still think it came out pretty cute. Like, I don't think someone would notice that I didn't plan for it to come out like this, you know? Okay, you guys, I done did my makeup and stuff, and look how it came out. I kind of wanted it to be curly and stuff, but it really don't matter to me. I like it like this anyway. I think it's pretty cute. Yeah, you guys, so like, comment, and subscribe if you liked what you see or whatever. Click the bell. I still think it's cute. Like, this is really cute. And I would try to do my makeup. I think I did pretty good on my makeup too. Bam. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.